Students, we are going to see sixth sum. Construct the truth table for following statement. The first question, truth table they given, not P and not Q they given. So P and Q we know 1 1 0 0 will write now 1 0 1 like that. True true false false. Q true false we have to write. Not P means that is opposite sign. True means false means true. We have to write the table. Same as Q. True means false means true. We have to write it. Then we have to combine both. Not P and not Q. We have to write it. We have to join these two. See, and they given false means false only. One false, one true means also false. Same true if it come means only it will be true. False means and get false only. True same it come means true. Remaining things are all false. Next we are going to see second Roman letter not P and that is in not bracket P and not Q they given bracket symbols. So same way PQ we are writing, not Q means we have to write true means false means true. They given inside the bracket we are taking P and not Q. We have to compare P and not Q. True false means false, and get means true false means false, true only true, false also false true also false. Here not symbol in bracket outside they given not. So here same way false means true means false. We have to change it and write it. Fourth Roman letter that is P or Q or not Q they given. First we have to write P and Q value. P and Q means true only, true false or get or means any one true means we can write it as T. False means there will be a false. Not Q means true it will be changes into false will be true. Now we have to combine this two tabular column or get P or Q bracket or not Q. True false means true means also true false means true false true means true. Here one true one false means also here it will be true in OR gate, but AND gate is we have to write false means false only, true false means false only, but here all are true. The fourth Roman letter they given not P in then R and P if and only if Q. So P Q they given. So we have to write here 8 true, 4 true, 4 false. Then 1 2 true false, 2 true false. Here R true false. Here extra we are adding one R gains. R true false like that. Not P means opposite. True means false means true. So now we have to compare. Not P then R. We have to compare. So not P then R means false, true means false. False also true. Here all are true. False in R get false, not P true means false. Suppose in R get true, not P get false means it will be true. So that concept you have to see. In R get false it come means we have to write it only false. In not P get it false means we can write it as true. So next we have to write it P if and only if Q. We have to compare both. TT means T, TT means T, TF means F, TF means F. See both the letters it will be same means FF means T only, that is if and only if. So that tabular column we have to. Now we have to compare this two tabular column by using AND gate. True means true means true false means false. One false one true means it will be false only. Two true it will become means only true. F false means false only. This like this we have to write the truth table.